Once again, a big hello to all my young achievers. Today our topic is positivity. Did you receive good morning message this morning? Did you read it? And by the way, did you forward it? I was not teasing you. In fact, I want to appreciate you for your sensitive, sensible and meaningful act. Just imagine every morning all of us receive, two power-packed messages from our friends or dear ones, which fills us with so much of positivity and happiness. Things could have stopped there. Why do we want to again forward it and share it with people is because our positivity or happiness is incomplete without sharing, and in fact it doubles it. This gives us two realizations. Realization number one: if just a two-line message could have so much of power and positivity in it to transform our thoughts, how much of power and positivity are we created with by our Creator that can totally transform the world? Realization number two: what a self-realization it is to know that I would like to share positivity. Doesn't that speak about me as a person, that I am a happy person, I am a positive person, I love sharing, caring? So these are two great realizations. It's just that we have to carry the same positivity into our day. And how do we do that? See, throughout the day you can't keep sending good morning messages to people, but you can become the message. That's exactly what Mahatma Gandhi says when he says, become the change you wish to see. There are two types of people. There are one type of people, seeing them you can learn how not to live. They are your warning. The next set of people are the exemplary ones. Seeing their lives, you can learn how to live. What kind are you? So we are filled with minority of these positive people and of course majority of the negative people. You think of Abdul Kalam, Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi and a few others. You're filled with positivity and enough of negativity as well. So they say there are again this type of people, when they enter into a room, it's like lighting up the room. They light up the whole room with your presence. And there are few people who move out of the room, the room is lit up. So now you have a choice, and positivity becomes a choice there. So what kind of person would you like to be? You choose your colors, you choose your food, you choose so many things in life and you want to have your way. And don't you realize you also choose between positivity and negativity every day? So they say, when you have the sweet fruit, why do you eat the bitter fruit? And positivity is not something that flows outside in, it's something that flows inside out. So just imagine if all of us could pour out our positivity, will it not really submerge the little bit of, or the immense, whatever way you look at the world, negativity in this world? So are you ready to share your part of pour out your share of positivity into the world? We are ready to receive it. Never, never, never give up.